It's another day. It's another three things. Today, we're going to talk about the three common money traps and how are we going to avoid them. Abi ni mo, kining things about money, wala man good kayo siya ginatudlo in school. And in fact, I myself personally, as I grow up, wala man kayo mi situation or cases or events wherein kami personally ginatudloan sa mga parents on how to handle money. So I've learned a lot of mistakes about money the hard way. That in fact, even up to today, I'm still paying the consequences of the mistakes I made long time ago. Okay? So, karon ato ning pagahisgutan, what are these common money traps and somehow atong makita ang mga posibilidad na pwede nato siya malikayan. Oh, let's begin. Number one, living beyond your means. Now, in Proverbs 22, verse 7, it's very clear here, the borrower is the slave of the lender. Abi nimo inig adto ni mall karon pinakadaghan nga mga credit facilities. Nga labi na daghan kayo moabot ang mga bagong latest na model sa mga cellphones ug uban pa. Now, usahay maingganyo ta atong paliton na bahalag wa pati kwarta ron total do na may mga home credit diha. Now, one of the biggest money traps is spending more than what you personally earn. Now, kining mag-chase tag mga lifestyle upgrades, credit purchases, or somehow to keep up with what the others have. Now, quote unquote, that's a trap. This leads to debt and financial stresses. Can you imagine? Imong gi-avail ang usa ka butang na bahalag wala pa nimo babayre basta kay imo nang gigunitan o niya mag-antos ka og sige bayad. Well, in fact, pwede man siyang buhaton na imo una siyang tiguman o niya sakto na sa kantidad, usa pa nimo paliton. Now, unsa man siya pag-avoid? Now, create and stick to a budget. Learn contentment and delayed gratification for long-term peace. Ikaduha, falling for get-rich-quick schemes. Now, in Proverbs 13, verse 11, it says here, wealth obtained by fraud dwindles, but the one who gathers by labor increases it. Usay lami manggugug kayo ning fast earning. Labi na makadungog ka usahay, double your money in number of days. Mura kag mainganyo. No, daghan na kay tagiagian na nga mga scam, my friends. Now, always remember this. Promises of fast money through scams, shady investments, or gambling often lead to loss and regret eventually. Easy money often disappears as quickly as it comes. So, saan man nato ma-avoid ni? Focus on steady and legitimate growth of any income-producing activity through hard work or probably wise savings or on a tested investments. Mas may na lang tong mangusisa usa pag-ayo, usa sudlan ang usa ka butang. And lastly, number 3, neglecting to save and prepare. In Proverbs 21, verse 20, it says here, in the house of the wise is a treasure of preciousness and oil, but a foolish man swallows it up. Now, another trap is spending everything, what you have, without preparing to those important things like emergencies, retirement, or probably to start a new opportunities. Without savings, one crisis na moigo nimo can undo years of progress. So, unsaon man ni siya para ma-avoid? Make savings not just automatic, but intentional. Treat it like a bill you owe to your future self. That's why you prioritize in setting it aside before spending on the things that you want or probably the things that you need. So what's my takeaway in all of this? Now, financial traps are subtle but costly. By choosing discipline, patience, and preparation, you protect your future, and in this way, you honor God with whatever resources that you have. Till next, bye!